Excellent. Hello everyone. Okay, in my previous video, I have explained how to implement such functionality in the list view, right? So, in this particular application, there are some minor bugs uh, which has happened, and one of our subscriber has reported that in our comment section that the keyboard is does not disappear once it show up, and the scrolling is not working. So these two issues he was mentioning it. Let us come and try to resolve that issue right now. Okay, so the first issue is when we load the products, we are unable to scroll it. That is the issue mentioned. And if we press this one, the keyboard layout will come and that won't close it down. So that was the issue. So we will go one by one. So first what we will do, we'll try to fix this one. Okay, in that in the widget. So we have this list view, right? So in top of that, there is a child, there is a uh, widget called a single child scroll view, right? So that widget is causing that issue. I have added for safety purpose for the previous video, but that caused another issue. So what I will do, I will just remove that widget from the tree, and I try to save that application and rerun it. And we are able to scroll it. So the first issue we fix it. And also what we need to do, to be the safer side, why I add this particular single child widget is, sometimes when we click on this button, the working area will shrink. It becomes smaller. So to that time we will face some kind of error. So that I have added that one, but that cause another functionality is not working. So okay, so that now I will receive. So okay, what is the alternative solution? So the alternative solution will be, we have our scaffold, right? This entire scaffold. So we have one option called resize to avoid bottom insert error. So I'll set to 2. So what it does automatically, when we resize this window, the bottom insert this particular area, right? So it will automatically fit. uh, it will not show the error. So it will now we are able to handle the in the different way. So this is one error fixed. And the second one will be the button, right? This will not close this the keyboard. So whatever we do, it is not closing, right? So that is the issue was mentioned. So if I press anywhere, it is not closing. So once we go here and click that button, then only it is closing. So what we need to do, whenever we click this one, that time it will appear. This functionality is right. By default, Android has, that is right. When we click outside of this place, we have to out focus this particular and close this keyboard window, right? So what we need to do here, to handle this, all these gestures, these clicks, or whatever the buttons we do, whatever the actions we do, we will call it as a gesture. So we need to create one widget on top of widget, the scaffold tree, that is called gesture detector. Okay, and then it has one method called on tap. So this particular has lot of functionalities on single tap. Tap in the sense click. And when we in the mobile application, we will call everything as a tap, right? on tab, what we need to do, we need to call the focus manager. Focus manager and instance dot primary focus. This can be sometimes null. Okay. So what we will do, we will make it unfocused. So this primary focus can be set or sometimes will not set. So it is a nullable object. We can see. So if it is null, we will leave it as it is. If it has any focus, primary focus, and we will make that focus to be primary focus to be unfocused. So unfocused is the one that will remove this part, right? So now I am going to click on this, and if I click anywhere on the place, and it automatically closes. So that is the functionality we'll do. So we'll try to check. So our existing functionality also working, and the new bug also we fixed it, right? So I hope this video will be helpful for you, and thanks everyone. Please subscribe to the channel and help me to support motivate to do more videos. Thank you.